What's up guys, Fantastic Cards, we are back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys a 11 pack opening I did last night where I got some crazy cards. So basically I had 15,000 stubs and I decided to buy a 10 pack bundle on the MLB Show 19. I wasn't expecting much, and what happened was very crazy. Something I've never seen before. So I pulled two of the best diamond cards in the show. So the beginning of the opening wasn't, too crazy. I did get this Gary Sanchez silver that went for 3,400, and I thought that was going to be the best card we got. So nothing too special until this happened. Yep, a diamond player. So this was my first diamond pull of the year, and it was pretty amazing. So then the animation popped up, and I just can't believe it showed up. Ready to see? You probably know who it is by now, but yep, Mookie Betts, one of the best cards in the whole game. Mookie Betts, 92 overall. Crazy pull. Yeah, it was awesome. So right about now, I was pretty happy. I pulled my phone out. I sent a picture to my friend, who was pretty jealous, and yeah, I saw he was going for 90,000 subs, which was a lot. So that was really awesome. So I kind of I couldn't believe it, so I sped up the rest. I just wanted to, try out Mookie Betts. So I, grabbed a pack right after, which I didn't care. This made the whole thing worth it. So I kept on opening the packs, not expecting anything. A bunch of bronzes, and then as I kept opening, I got, a couple silvers, which was nice. And all this was out of a 10 pack bundle that I bought for, yep, that's right, a second diamond. All this was out of a 10 pack bundle I bought for 15,000 subs. Yep, another diamond. This was all in one 10 pack bundle. You guys might know who this is by now. Yep, Bryce Harper, another amazing card. Now, I already had Bryce Harper, but I was fine to pull him again. So this was my second Bryce Harper, and right about now, I was kind of going crazy. And right now, if you guys, the only reason I'm paused is because I was taking a picture to my friend. I couldn't believe it. I didn't even know it was possible. So, yep. So that was crazy. And then, so, can you guys all do me a huge favor and pause the video and go subscribe, go like this video, because this was an awesome pack opening. Over 150,000 stubs of diamond players in 10 packs. All this was in a 10 pack bundle. So honestly crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.